Hello everyone， 皆さんこんにちは。Welcome to my channel。大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。Today we are going to study these 10 characters。今天我们学习的是这10个平假名。Okay, then before we start, let's review last lessons. 咱们复习一下上一次的课程吧。Okay, so let's get started. What is this? This is a, i, u, e, o. How about this? Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So, another question. What is this? This is i. How about this? This is ku, ke, u, o. Okay, それでは今日のレッスンを始めましょう。Let's begin today's lesson. 那么开始今天的课程吧。This is sa. Sa. How to write sa? 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Sa. はい、次。これはし。し。This is very simple. How to write し? 1. Once again. 1. し。す。す。How to write す? 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. す。はい。せ。せ。How to write せ? 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. せ。Next. So. So. How to write so? 1. Just one stroke. 1. So. はい。では、発音の注意点です。しの発音に気をつけてください。し。しではなく、しです。し。Okay, then here's a question for you. What is this? This is so. How about this? Sa, se, shi, su. Here's another question for you. What is this? Asa. Asa. It means morning. How about this? Sushi. Sushi. This is one of Japanese food, sushi. Sushi. Okay, so how about this? Uso. Uso. It means lie. はい、それでは次。はい、this is た。た。How to write た? 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta. Okay, next. This is chi. Chi. 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. Chi. Hi, this is 2. 2. It is very simple. Just one stroke. 2. 2. This is て. て. And this is one stroke as well. て. 手 and this is と 1 2 once again 1 2と。はい、それでは発音の注意点です。たちつてと、これも軽く発音をします。よくある間違いはたちつてと、このように強く息を吐きません。軽くでいいです。たちつてと。それからつ、これはとではないので気をつけてください。とは違います。つ Okay, so here's the question for you. What is this? This is ち。How about this? This is た、つ、と、て。How about this? This is 竹。竹。It means bamboo. How about this? 口。口。It means mouth. What is this? This is 月。月。It means moon. How about this? 地下鉄。地下鉄。It means subway. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Bye. 下个影片见，拜拜。